So we just completed our natural pond with a spring coming out of the hill and a set of waterfalls. And how this works is we use this stream and these waterfalls to aerate the water. And then we use the circulation of the water in and out from the bottom and recirculating out, that's how you keep it stirred up and keep it from becoming cold and hot water. And then on each side, we'll be planting wetlands in the water that will be swimming in it. And those wetland plants are so aggressive that they take the nutrients out of the water. So the algae you see there cannot compete. It can't get the nutrients to survive. So this natural pond will have frogs in it, and it'll have fish in it, and it'll have grandkids in it. And this is our new natural pond. So the solar panels not only charge our electric car and our electric pickup and our batteries in the garage for our home, but they also run the pumps that run continuously to circulate the water and then push the water up to the top of our spring and down the waterfalls. So really, during the day when the sun is shining, we're getting all this without any cost to run the pumping system. There are 40 solar panels out there, and we kind of get a big kick out of not having to pay to drive our cars and our pickup. So all of our energy is free for our electric vehicles. And then off in the distance, you can see our cover crops on our fields with our conservation buffers, and it's just lush green. So my neighbor who did cover crops for the first time this year, they farm way bigger than me. We talk about the joy that comes from having lush green fields with cover crops. It's good for the soul. So if you want to be a happy farmer, do conservation. It's good for the soul.